A reading from the book of Sirach. A kind mouth multiplies friends and appeases enemies, and gracious lips prompt friendly greetings. Let your acquaintances be many, but 1 in 1,000 you're confident. When you gain a friend, first test him, and be not too ready to trust him. For one sort is a friend when it suits him, but he will not be with you in the time of distress. Another is a friend who becomes an enemy, and tells of the quarrel to your shame. Another is a friend, a boon companion, who will not be with you when sorrow comes. When things go well, he is your other self, and lords it over your servants. But if you are brought low, he turns against you and avoids meeting you. Keep away from your enemies. Be on your guard with your friends. A faithful friend is a sturdy shelter. He who finds one finds eternity. A faithful friend is beyond price. No sum can balance his worth. A faithful friend is a life-saving remedy, such as he who fears God finds. For he who fears God behaves accordingly, and his friend will be like himself. The word of the Lord.
Thanks to God.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands.
Blessed you, O Lord, teach me your statutes. Response.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands.
In your statutes I will delight. I will not forget your words. Response.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands.
Open my eyes that I may consider the wonders of your love. Response.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands.
Make me understand the way of your precepts, and I will meditate on your wondrous deeds. Response.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands.
Give me discernment that I may observe your law and keep it with all my heart. Response.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands.
Lead me in the path of your commands, for in it I delight. Response.
Guide me, Lord, in the way of your commands. Please rise for the gospel.
Alleluia, alleluia. The word of the Lord is true. Consecrate us in truth. Alleluia, alleluia.
So, Lord,